Are you tired of the 9-to-5 grind and looking for new ways to make money? Or do you just want to create a little extra income? Then you have came to the right place, because in this video, we're going to reveal 4 genius ways in how to make money online. Welcome to Money Masters, the ultimate destination for anyone who wants to unlock the secrets of making money online. In this channel, we'll take you on a journey to discover new, innovative ways to increase your income. In this video, we will be sharing both high-yield income streams, but also easier quick ones to get started, in case you just want to make some quick extra cash. So if you're ready to learn from the best and take your financial game to the next level, get comfortable and get ready to take notes. And if you stick around to the end, we will share a juicy bonus idea with you as thanks for being such a dedicated viewer. Let's not waste any more of your time and dive right in. First, we have an app called Volutic. While it may not be the best way to make an enormous amount of money, it's a fantastic option if you're looking to earn a quick few extra bucks. With Volutic, you'll get paid to open emails. Yes, you heard that right. You'll earn money just by clicking on emails. You don't even have to look through them. You literally just open them. The best part is that the minimum payout is only 20 cents, meaning you can withdraw your earnings quickly. Unlike other apps that make you wait until you have a significant balance in your account to withdraw your earnings, Volutic allows you to cash out your earnings as soon as you hit that 20-cent mark. Plus, signing up is easy and free. One thing to keep in mind is that you'll receive spam emails, so I recommend creating a new email account specifically for Volutic. That way, you won't get unwanted emails in your main inbox. If you are finding any value so far, give the video a thumbs up, as it helps us with the YouTube algorithm. The next is to write product descriptions for people by using ChatGPT. A lot of people are paying others to write product descriptions for the products they sell in their stores, for example on Amazon. Some are even paying up to $100 for it. ChatGPT can help you write clear, concise, and persuasive product descriptions. With ChatGPT, you can write a 200-word product description for a luxury handbag that comes, for example, in black or blue in just 30 seconds. That means you can write descriptions quickly, reach more people, and charge less than your competitors, which will attract more customers to you. With over 3,000 reviews and $100 per product description, you can easily make a massive amount of money. And the best thing is that ChatGPT is totally free to use. Third idea is starting a YouTube channel. A lot of people say it's too late and too saturated, but they're so wrong. Now is actually the best time to start one. Video content is where the world is heading, and corporations are putting more of their marketing dollars into platforms like YouTube. And this is just the beginning. Video content is here to stay, and if you start now, you could reap the rewards. And if you don't want to be on camera showing your face, there are many faceless YouTube channels out there, just like ours. If you would like us to create a step-by-step tutorial on how to create a faceless YouTube channel, let us know in the comments below. Fourth, we have this cool app called surveytime.io that lets you complete surveys and get instantly rewarded with $1 for each one you finish. It's the highest paying survey website that we've found that actually pays you right away. You don't have to wait around for days or anything like that. They have PayPal and Bitcoin payout options, as well as gift cards like Amazon and Target. But we'd recommend going with PayPal or Bitcoin so you can spend the money on whatever you want. All you have to do is sign up with Google, Facebook, or just use your email, and then start answering questions, and get paid for each survey you complete. You can make up to $10 from 10 different surveys. It's a pretty straightforward way to start making money. Just answer questions and make a few bucks. Earlier on, we promised a bonus as thanks for staying with us throughout the video, and that bonus is YouTube thumbnail creation. In today's world, thumbnails are essential for getting clicks online. Even in this video, we have a thumbnail that influenced you to click and watch. You can use AI tools like Midjourney or DALL to generate images based on text prompts, and then websites like Canva to create professional-looking thumbnails. As artificial intelligence technology has improved, you can easily create amazing thumbnails with little experience. If this sounds interesting, then starting a thumbnail business could be a perfect side hustle. If you found any value in this video, feel free to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you don't miss out on our future videos where we talk about more great ways to make money online. You definitely don't want to miss out on our next video where we talk about how to use artificial intelligence such as ChatGPT and Pictor to create your own videos for any kind of social media platform, so you also can start earning that social media money. Stay curious and keep learning. Hope to see you in the next video.